Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to elevate your culinary game, the Mauviel M'Cook B5-ply polished stainless steel non-stick round frying pan with brass handle. This isn't just any frying pan, it's a French-made marvel designed for performance and durability, and we're going to put it through its paces. First off, let's talk about what makes this pan special. Mauviel is a name synonymous with professional cookware, and this M'Cook collection is clearly built to live up to that reputation. The star of the show here is the 5-ply construction. We're talking layers of stainless steel sandwiching 3 successive layers of aluminum, all wrapped up in an exterior layer of ferritic stainless steel. What does this all mean for you in the kitchen? It means exceptional heat conductivity. This pan heats up quickly and, just as importantly, it cools down just as fast. This responsiveness gives you incredible control over your cooking, allowing you to sear, sauté, and simmer with precision. The thickness of 2.6 mm further contributes to this excellent heat distribution and retention, preventing those frustrating hot spots that can ruin a dish. Now, let's turn our attention to the handle. This isn't a flimsy, afterthought addition. The brass handle is traditional, substantial, and frankly, it looks gorgeous. It's designed to offer a very comfortable grip, and it provides excellent balance to the pan. Even when the pan is full, that handle feels secure and well weighted in your hand, which is crucial for safe and comfortable cooking. Versatility is another key selling point. This Mauviel M'Cook pan is designed to work on virtually any cooking surface. We're talking gas, electric, halogen, and yes, even induction stovetops. It's also oven safe, which is a massive advantage. You can start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven, and even under the broiler, which opens up a whole new world of cooking possibilities. However, with great performance comes great responsibility, and that applies to the care of this pan. Mauviel stresses that this pan is for hand wash only. No dishwashers here. They also advise against prolonged use of high heat, and it's important not to leave an empty pan on a heated burner for an extended period. This is standard practice for high-quality cookware to ensure longevity. A really important note is that you should not use metal utensils on the non-stick cooking surface. This is crucial to preserve the integrity of the coating. Also, avoid scouring pads, steel wool, abrasive cleaners, bleach, and oven cleaners, as these can scratch or damage the pan. Misuse of the cookware will void your warranty, and bleach is particularly damaging to the stainless steel interior. The manufacturer also provides specific guidance on heat settings. Because of the pan's superb conductivity, you won't need to crank your stove to full power. They recommend using your cooktop controls at around 60% capacity. So, if your dial goes up to 10, aim for a 6. This is a great tip for efficient cooking and energy saving. In the oven, you can go up to a very impressive 572 degrees Fahrenheit, which is plenty hot for most recipes. In terms of dimensions, this particular model has a diameter of 10.2 inches and a height of 1.9 inches. This is a very practical size for everyday cooking, whether you're searing a couple of chicken breasts, making an omelette for 2, or sautéing a generous portion of vegetables. So, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are significant. You're getting a piece of cookware made in France by a renowned manufacturer, boasting a high-performance 5-ply construction for superior heat control. The brass handle is a beautiful and functional addition. Its versatility across all cooktops and oven, including broiler, makes it incredibly adaptable. On the con side, the hand wash only requirement might be a drawback for some, and the price point will likely reflect its premium materials and construction. You also need to be mindful of the care. Instructions to maintain its performance and appearance, particularly avoiding metal utensils and harsh cleaning agents. Overall, the Mauviel M'Cook B5-ply stainless steel non-stick frying pan with brass handle is a serious investment for anyone who is passionate about cooking. It's a tool that's built to last, offering exceptional performance and control. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and are willing to give it the proper care, this pan will undoubtedly become a favorite in your kitchen. Link in the description.